In this video, I'll show you how to download the Uber Eats app on your Android phone. So go ahead and open up the Play Store app. Make sure you're signed into your account. Click on the search icon at the bottom, and then again at the top. Now simply type in Uber Eats. From the search results, click on the Uber Eats one. When you're happy to download and install, click on the blue Install button. That will now start downloading to your phone. This could take several minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once it's downloaded, it'll now start installing to your phone. Once the app's downloaded and installed, feel free to go ahead and open it up by clicking the blue Open button. However, I always find it's best to come out of the Play Store, scroll through your apps, just to make sure the app has been downloaded and installed on your phone with a shortcut icon. So now we can go ahead and click on that, and that'll open up the Uber Eats app.